Hello friend, welcome to Android Chess, written in Kotlin programming language. This is Golden Sun. We already handled the chess rule for knight and rook. In this video, we'll take care of bishop, okay? Bishop. Bishop moves like diagonally, right? Like that. Without the blocking. Yeah, diagonally. Okay, so let's go. Oh, let's fix some small thing here. Based on the suggestion here, you see, this guy, the suggestion says change it to private. Make it private, okay? But why there's no? But why isn't there the warning for this one, right? Can we change this one? We should, right? Okay, now I guess we just broke a test case here. Let's see. Yeah, and actually we don't need to use this one directly because now this one is part of our can move here, right? This one is included implicitly, can knight move, so we can just use this one, can move, okay? Because we are sure this one is a knight at this location. So yeah, let's give it a try, run it. Okay, good. Now we'll create a test case for can knight move unit test. Knight. Maybe we can rename this one to refactor. Rename. I think it's better. It's better don't use the not using the can knight move method name. Just knight unit test, right? Enter. And this guy rook unit test refactor, because we are not testing that can rook move method directly, so we can use this one. Yeah, make it make it more sense, right? Make more sense for that. So knight unit test, rook unit test, chess png. Okay, so now let's create one for bishop test, unit test. New Kotlin test file, bishop unit test, like that. Okay, add to the git. So we'll import org.junit.test. Yes. So let's test an empty one, right? Test the empty board with just a single bishop first. So add test func can bishop move single piece like that. So that's create our empty board dot clear, and then we can insert add piece chess piece. So colon role player chessman resource ID. Okay, so I always want to use 3 in the middle, and player dot white. Okay, and the chessman dot, of course, bishop, and resource ID we don't need that for now. It's for drawing the image on board. Okay, now let's print out the chess game. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, there's a bishop, the white bishop here, so it should be able to move to like here, right? 7-7. So now we need to import org.junit.assert.star like that. So we can assert true. What is true? Chess game dot can move from square 3 to square 7 and 7, right? And we cannot move this one to something like for example here, right? 5-4. Okay, so assert force, not true, force chess game dot can move square 3 and 3 to square 5 and 4. Now let's run it. It will fail the second one, right? Okay, failed. Now let's go back to our chess game to fix that. So we'll add our private function here. Function can bishop move from square to square boolean, right? And return false. Then we'll add this case here. If the piece is bishop, then we can return can bishop move from and to, like that. Okay, so now what is the logic here? For an empty board here, what is the pattern? Like here and here, right? Diagonally. There is a very cute pattern for those locations on the diagonal, both diagonals. Okay, is the delta of from column and to column, the delta between the, for example, this one, right? The delta of column is this one, 3, and the delta of a row, delta of the columns, right, from 3 to 6 is 3, and the delta of the rows, right, from start to the end is also 3. That should be same. So if abs from dot colon and to dot colon is same as abs from row minus 2 dot row, right? If that is equal, we can return true. Yeah, that's it. So let's go to, we don't need this one, we'll go to the bishop. Okay, now this should pass. Yeah, it failed. 3 3 to which one failed? This one? This one failed. Okay, so why? The delta of this is 4, right? And the delta of rows is also 4. Okay, let's check. Wow, I put the true here. We should return true, right? That is funny. How could I make this mistake? Okay, now let's go back to here, run it. Okay, so let's test this case. Yeah, it's good. Now let's try to run our app. So currently we don't have the logic for the blocking logic, so we only check the diagonal rule. Okay, so this one is not okay, and of course this one is not okay, and this should be okay, right? And this should be okay. Yeah, and let's try a white one. So here not okay. Yeah, and here is okay, right? Cool. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.